Hey guys, I hope you all are doing good. So, as promised, I am back again with another style tip. And today I'm going to show you all how you can use an Indian skirt to give a more Western look. So, as you can see, I'm wearing this beautiful mustard yellow skirt which has Indian print on it. And mostly these kind of skirts we use for Indian gatherings and we don't tend to use much. So today I'm going to tell you how you can wear this kind of skirt to any of your casual gatherings as well. So you can see I'm wearing like a plain black shirt, sheer material along with the skirt. It gives your more Indian looking skirt more Western look and also breaks the monotony of the print because you're breaking it with a solid color. Also off for when you have a Indian skirt, you go for a shirt which is of contrast color, so it gives you more poppy and edgy look. Like you can see, I have tucked my shirt inside, so it gives you more like as if you're wearing a gown. So if you are not very good with showing your waistline and you want it to be a little loose fit, you can tuck it in and make it a little loose look, so it gives you more casual and chic look to your attire. You can wear this outfit for any of your casual shopping or movie dates or brunches. And if you have a very good midriff and a good waistline, what I can suggest you is you can tuck the shirt out and unbutton the last three buttons of your shirt, and you could probably just do a small knot on your navel, slightly tight, so that it gives you a good show of your figure. Double tie it so that the length of the shirt goes smaller, and like you can see, it gives you more of a retro feel to your look and also makes you looks like a good style and a chic look. So I think you should try this, using this trick to use more of your Indian skirts often. And I hope you liked my trick. And please keep following our page Neha Chavan for more fashion updates and more style updates. I hope to see you guys soon again for the next style tip. Goodbye.